Business is the economic pulse of a nation. It's the source of goods and services, the platform for innovation and opportunity. Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington. From small startups to global corporations, join me as we go inside the dynamic business world and explore some of today's successful enterprises. Our actions can have big impacts on the natural world today and for generations to come. Let's take a look at some smart solutions for protecting the environment.
The city of Houston, Texas is a vibrant city full of culture and life. On one side of Highway 59 lies some of the richest and most entertaining spots in town. However, on the other side, it's a different story. Laden with abandoned rail yards and industrial city blocks from the early 1900s, the area is in desperate need of redevelopment.
LDS helped locate the convention center in 1980. It took over 30 years for the development to actually occur. We believe with our architectural planning and urban design and EHRA's infrastructure planning that development will happen faster with higher density and mixed-use development.
Revitalizing the area known as Houston's Tax Increment Reinvestment Zone, or TIRZ 15, is vital to the city's continued growth. But efforts to do so have been extremely difficult due to the high costs associated with conventional stormwater drainage.
Generally speaking, even though they were constructed in the early 1900s, they're in pretty good condition. The biggest problem is they're undersized for new development. Using City of Houston conventional drainage techniques would require us to dig up the pipe, replace it with a much larger one, which is very costly. We're working on a solution that uses low impact development to improve the drainage system without completely reconstructing it.
EHRA Engineering is working with the City of Houston to solve their drainage issues and get TIRZ 15 back on its feet. By implementing an innovative technique called low impact development, or LID, the firm claims the redevelopment project can move forward at significantly reduced costs.
The redevelopment of TIRZ 15 couldn't happen without the cost-effective techniques of low-impact development. In fact, Houston needs LID techniques because of the flat terrain and the high annual rainfall.
Founded in 1936, EHRA Engineering is the second oldest engineering firm in Houston. The company employs a full team of licensed engineers, land surveyors, landscape architects, civil designers, and technicians.
Through 4 generations of one family, EHRA has survived as a privately owned professional services firm in Houston for almost 80 years, providing a plethora of engineering services all under one roof, while each discipline helps transform raw land into a palette for residential and commercial land developers.
EHRA Engineering is a leader in low-impact development. LID is a comprehensive design technique that incorporates planning, engineering, and landscaping to minimize the effect development has on stormwater runoff. Unlike the traditional methods of pipes, channels, and detention basins, LID handles stormwater right where it falls.
Low-impact development makes projects in any community economically feasible. Our innovative LID solution blends typical Houston area designs with advanced drainage solutions to create developments that increase green space while decreasing stormwater runoff.
Compared to conventional drainage techniques, LID allows projects to include significantly more amenities like trees and planters. Drainage areas take up a fraction of developable land, leaving more for developers to utilize. By combining landscaping, drainage, detention, and stormwater into one area, LID encourages multiple uses of the same land. The drainage areas even help clean toxic, polluted soils, reducing the potential for mosquito blooms and soil erosion.
I'd have to say the biggest benefit is cost reduction. Using non-traditional low-impact development drainage techniques allow us to lower the overall cost of the project. With those savings, we're able to upsize and reconstruct the existing wastewater collection and water distribution systems, which are also undersized and hinder redevelopment in majority of East Downtown.
Overall, LID techniques provide unparalleled environmental benefits and a significantly attractive project, not to mention lower construction and maintenance costs.